All right, it should be live. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, so I am live now. I'm gonna send it out to the Discord in a second. All right, I'm turning on my camera. Give me a quick second. All right. All right, let me pull up for chat as well. Damn it. All right. All right. Turning on my camera now. Boom. All right. All right. Should be a little bit better. All right. So, check Forex Factory. We have 4 p.m. Donald Trump speaking at 8:15 news. So this 8:15 wick here is probably going to be the draw. So I'll mark that out. That a high. I'll mark it out on ES as well. 8:15. I'm kind of glad we didn't take it yet. Hopefully we run it in maybe 8:50 or 9:50 macro. I mean, 8:50 macro is already over. What did we run in 8:50 macro? We ran some of this LRLR here. Let me post that I'm live on. 1 second. We have a 3-minute. So we're rejecting it now. How long until market open? Okay, we have 10 minutes till market open. All right, I'm gonna put my air down for now, actually. So we have this 3-minute. Then we did leave equal those on ES. Ooh. Dang. So no inverse there. I have to wait all the way for the next 3 minute. Definitely looking for these data highs here. Have them marked out on both. I'll mark it out on here on ESs or micros as well. All right. So unfortunately, we didn't get that 3 minutes holding. I'm gonna post on Instagram now that we're live. All right. All right. Sorry, I was posting that we're live on Instagram. Sorry about that, guys. All right. So let's see here. Out. I'm gonna close my door. All right. We're bearish. Well, we have data highs above, so kind of want these data highs. We're too low for shorts, so higher time frame. Let me check higher time frame. Seems like, well, looking at the higher time frame, does seem bearish until at least here. Though we held this twice and we reswept this already, so I got a 15-minute. We held it multiple times, actually, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and now this could be 6 because we inversed a 60-point fair value gap on the 1 hour. We did, but that only told us we were bearish until the first internal liquidity, which was right here. And now we have a data high, so and 60 points doesn't really matter. It just matters that it happened on the 1 hour time frame. Just making sure. Ooh, okay. Nice SMT here. Possible 1 minute. There's a little 2 minute here though. So I'd want it to close above this 2 minute as well if I did take this. If I do take this, I would want the what? Uh, no, might be these. Might be both of these. So if we do form this 2 minute, let me see about 3 minute. Okay, so either way, it would be as the 9:30 candle, the opening candle starts. So I don't know if I want to take a setup off open. I'm gonna go grab some water, and we'll see what market open does. All right. Market open in 20 seconds. Let's see what we get. Market open 10 seconds. All right. I close above the 2 minute, 1 minute, and the 3 minute. That still be good. Oh, we would have to wait for the 3 minute. Ooh. Come on. Leave a wick here, please. A 9:30 wick with LRLR would look so good. Ooh. That 9:30 wick is crazy. So now we don't have a 930 wick to target. So there would be break even if you took it again. I want us to get a better setup though. This just doesn't look good. It's not a good singular for value gap or anything. So how does LRLR work? You're supposed to run it all the way to the top. And it's normally a it's just like it's trendline liquidity. So this is a trend line. Okay, good. The trade went break even. You're in the trade. See ya. Okay, so we ran it. Would have been break even anyways, so not really mad about that. Sorry I was looking down for so long, but yeah, so we ran it. Sucks that it ended up going break even. I didn't take this. And now hopefully we can look for a short off of this data high. We have to soup this high for that to happen though. So I would kind of like to see, like, again, this is what I said the other day, but some form of liquidity to some form of structure here. All right, let's see. Do we have any delivery or something here? Okay, so we're in the 1 hour now. So it sucks that I didn't take that. It ran the data high. The only way that this wouldn't want to stop at break even is if you did the thing where since it's a data high, you don't move stop to break even. Unless you would have just moved it up late, move stop to break even later, like at these equal highs. But yeah, now looking for something short here. So we just need to get one first. So we're just running liquidity right now. Guys, we're one like away from 5. Can we get one more? Just one more. I'm not gonna ask for 10 today because today is a shorter stream than normal. Or not than normal, but it's just shorter than what I would like to do. I would like to do from like 8:30, but unfortunately wasn't able to. I, I liked this one. Is there a 3-minute here? No 3-minute, no 2-minute, this 1 minute. It's not bad, though we did chop through it. Would have been partial GP, but all right. Damn, bro, we are just absolutely pumping here. Now I would just want to see some structure for him. Guys, we're getting so close to 900 subs, bro. I gotta make a post on like Instagram, bro. Cause those bro, randomly making posts on Instagram. Like I'm trying to hit 900 subs, but those ones actually do good. Like the TikToks and Instagram Reels. Wait, what? Oh. Alright, so let's see. Don't really have any structure here yet. So sweep out this. Okay, so we did sweep this with delivery from that 30-second on the left. Swept it with delivery out of that 1 minute as well. Only problem is we don't have a setup here, so did I take the 2-minute? No, and even if I did, it would have been break even. This 2-minute went break even. Because if I go here on the 30-second, you can see it came up at the break even point here and then went back down before pumping. But don't be mad, bro. There'll be more setups. That one wasn't really the best anyways. It wasn't even a singular for value gap. So that's why I didn't take it anyways. It was good. Like if it looked, bro, I don't know. If it looked like this, singular, it would have been so good. But it wasn't like it's not that this is a bad setup. It's just there's been better. I'm not gonna lie, I don't have much experience with 815 data wicks. So I wasn't sure how like important this is. But I'll learn more over time. So we are adding some structure here that we did kind of just sweep it. So I don't know. I'm just watching how high we pump right now. So don't know where we're going to. Yo, look at that 4-hour wick. That's actually crazy. Wait, wrong one. There we go. Okay, so no setups right now. Okay, so we just reran that. Okay, that's annoying. You're sick. You got a fever, bro. That sucks, dude. Is it one of the ones where you like feel cold, but then you're like sweating at the same time? Those are the worst. What? All right, so let's see if we start to build some structure here. I'm not long in here. I got it, but left at the first liquidity. I'm trying to raise an account, so I ended up leaving early. This is bad. Sorry, I'm using translator. From what language? Marion, what language? All right, so this could be good. We now have some form of liquidity here. Brazil, so Portuguese. I don't know Portuguese. I know Spanish, but not Portuguese. What? All right, so let's see if we get this. This is a very, very obvious for value gap. Just problem is partials would be so far down. So it'd be 1R would be all the way down here. Honestly, I kind of hope we do this. Maybe, oh, okay. So if we add some structure here, take out London High and get a setup, that would be really good. That would be really good, taking out London High. Why is it obvious? I mean, just see how big it is. Like this one's just like, you could step, like, this is the way Dodgy says it anyways. You can step 10 feet away from your chart and still see this. Compared to like, could you step 10 feet away from your chart and still see this one right here? Probably not. But you can step 10 feet away from your chart and see this one. Though this one is a little too big. Just because your stop loss would be so big. Like this would still be obvious. This would still be obvious. So stop loss is just a little big with this one, I'm not gonna lie. We do have LRLR here, which we just ran. Hopefully we take out London High. We're really close to it. So if we add some structure here, like see how we're adding some structure here, take out London High, and that'd be good. What? Oh. I just saw Dodgy took that setup, bro. 2 minute. And he didn't move stop to break even because of that, because it's that high for a target. He never moved stop to break even with that high for a target. That's something I decided to start doing. But the setup just didn't look like it didn't look the best to me, so now we have this 2 minute here. I hope this is just delivery off the off this, and we pump up, take out this, because I'd prefer to have like these lows here, so it's like more structure before taking that out. See, boom, 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 and then short. So that's what I'm hoping for. We have to see. Sorry. I'm gonna pay attention. I'm gonna just listen to some music. Oh my gosh, bro. But the new Loteka song's good. It keep me like from looking at my phone. I would like unmute it so you guys could hear it, but I don't want to get copyrighted. $27 break evens, 23 wins, 27 losses are my stats right now. 46% winning. And it's like 47% loss. And then the in between is break even. All right, let's see. All right, so maybe a not continue confirmation setup, or I guess continuation at this point. All right, so technically a 1 minute, or not technically, we have a 1 minute, but 30 seconds more obvious. So I would want both of them to inverse, to be honest. All right. Because we did sweep this delivery. Let's see. With the 1 minute as well. We're just so far in premium. I would want one a little bit more in discount, like probably look for like this. This one's too far in premium for me. Now, if we were to sweep one more time, tap into this 1 minute down here, that would look good. Though we haven't tapped into it yet, so I'll leave that there. Sorry. EG low and EG low at NY open. What do you mean? EG low. Equal low? 13,650. Or if we sweep this and get a long, that would be really good. Yo, Lopez, you still haven't said what you meant by EG low. This 30-second holding here. Come on, bro. Okay, so we put in an OB there. Pretty sure, anyways. Maybe that's to close below the wick. Anyways, okay, there we go. Took out the equal lows. Makes perfect sense for us to take out those equal lows there. Now, hopefully we go down more. Kind of want us to go down more and get a setup down here. There we go. That's what we want to see. Oh my gosh, bro. Whoa, what is that momentum, bro? This 1 minute might not be as bad now. Because this, I like this momentum, bro. Holy crap. What would stop be? 125? Damn. I want to close above this as well. Does not seem like we're going to get that. 10 o'clock. Do we have news? We do not have news. That's yellow folder, bro. What? So they both close at the same time here. Okay, so already hit. I hope this comes back down and hits break even, please. Okay, good. Okay, good. Good thing it did that. All right, so that's London High there. Wish we would have gotten a setup, bro. There wasn't even a 15-second off of that momentum, dude. We didn't have anything on the 30-second. I was like, all right, let me check 15, but nothing was there. What chart are you looking at? Because I don't have that. 9:30. This is 15-second. 1 second. What chart are you looking at, bro? Because I don't have that anywhere. We swept that low. Are you looking at micros? Yeah, you're looking at micros, bro. You don't chart on the micros. You chart on minis. All right, let's see if we soup this. Bro, did I just actually just do that? All right, let's see if we soup this here. I would actually like it if we got this. So we do have an SMT here as well, so. But I would want to get good momentum. Now, of course, we do that. So now, be 2 minute. Of course, you'll make it like this. Trade on micros. You can trade on micros, but minis should have just entered. I feared. Wait, you said, bro, that was TRHE setup. Lol. Do you mean that was the setup? Why did it go so high? What are you talking about? Talking about this one? Because that one got stopped at break even if you took it. I'll watch it in lifetime. Yeah, that one got stopped at break even anyway, so you trade on micros, but you should chart on minis. They're the same chart, but micros sometimes doesn't do it right, and micros are not the ones you should base your charting off of. They're literally just there for you to use to risk less. They're not there for you to chart on. It's a possible 2 minute, though that 2 minutes huge, bro. Literally waited for it to tap the 5 minute, then go back up to London high. It gave such a shot close, yeah. All right, so we still have the 2 minute. Hopefully, this 3 minutes smaller. Please give us a smaller 3 minute. Please dump down just a little bit, little bit. Give us a smaller one, please. Like this, or don't. Kind of wanted this to be 1R if I were to take a setup. Maybe ES really wants to go for this high. Of course, it closed like that, bro. It's bigger than the 2 minute. So take the New York opening iFVG. It doesn't matter why I didn't take it. It didn't win anyways. It was break even. If you traded it mechanically, but I would have preferred it to be one. I don't know. I just didn't. I don't know. Doesn't matter. It would have been break even anyways. Actually, I don't think I would have went break even because of data highs. But maybe because it's 815 data highs. It's not how I normally trade data highs. I've never traded 815 data highs, so I'm still learning with that. So this 2 minute, come on. 2 minute and 3 minute don't close at the same time. Of course my headphones are about to die. Trying to draw this out real quick. So 250. Oh my gosh, bro. Yo. Or what? No, I'd probably just do 3. So 3 minute closed there. I want this 2 minute to close as well. 1 minute closed. And I'm gonna miss it because I took it. I was looking for the 2. Unless we get a retracement and my headphones died. Being patient made me miss a trade, I guess. Let's see. Okay, so I didn't miss it yet, but I would want to wait for a retracement just because. All right. All right, so waiting for a retracement for my entry here. Okay, so I didn't get my retracement. I could have entered here. Why did my headphones die? I just switched my headphones, bro. Oh my gosh. I should have entered here. And now I gotta close this because it would have been stop at break even. I swear, bro, if this doesn't get stopped at break even. Bro, why are both of these dead? What do you mean both of them are dead, bro? It literally says it's charged. Okay, there we go. Bro, come on. No way I missed this. No way I missed this, dude. I would have entered when it was here. No way, dude. No way. Three-minute wouldn't have hit yet either. But, dude. Come back and give us like a confirmation setup off this BPR or something. Something like this. Off the BPR, please. SMT anywhere? No SMTs. All right. Confirmation setup here would be nice. Because this 30-second tells us that we should go up here. $30 just hit partials or break even depending on how good your entry was. Looking for a short here. Please come up into this BPR. Three-minute BPR. Please tap into this 3-minute BPR here. So we do have a 1 minute here. Tapped into the 2-minute. Don't want this to work. I don't want this to inverse. There we go. That's what I want. I didn't want this. I don't want this short. Please come up here and give me a short. This is what I want up here. These S&P 500. No, yes. I mean, it is S&P 500, but it's futures. Please go up. Please go up. Please go up. Please go up. Please. Please, please, please go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. Please give me this. This, please. I hope today's not another no trade day. Please, please continue going up. Touch the PPR and give us a fair value gap. Not that one though. That one looks trash. Please. Wait, I'm gonna call someone real quick. Hopefully we. Oh, there we go. There we go. Yo, I gotta show you something. You know how you said you were sending those things to Nick about like I remember how you said you were sending those things to Nick where it's like I know you sat here. Yeah. Bro, look at my messages with him. Bro, why can't I screen share? Why can't I screen share? I'm looking, bro, but bro, hit ask me to screen share so I can screen share. It's not letting me screen share. All right, there we go. Yeah, I know. I gotta go. But look at this, bro. You're muted. Look at this, bro. Look how many I've sent him, bro. Look. So there's this one. I haven't taken any trades yet. Yeah. Bro, it's like the only thing I'm sending him. Bro, what is he sending me, bro? He sent me, you've been turned into a femboy. Bro, why would he send me that, bro? Alright, see him. Alright, hopefully. Oh, 2-minute here. 2-minute. Please give us this 2-minute. Oh my gosh, this 2-minute would look so good. This 2-minute would look so good. Please, 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 please leave this 2-minute. It actually looks so good. Please, no, 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 no. Please leave the, no. 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 Come on. Come on. This is so small, bro. Oh my gosh, dude. Better come up and give us something better up here. Give us something up here. So I'm gonna crash out on the market makers. Give us something better up here. Give us something better up here. Bro, I'm gonna go to like what is it, NASDAQ, bro? Like the building in New York. I'm gonna like rob them if they don't give us a setup here. Bro, you think like I could actually go to jail for saying something like that? Like they would think it's like an actual threat? I personally don't consider myself a threat to NASDAQ. What is this, bro? Why would they do this though? Like why would they do this to me? All I wanted was for it to be like this, like it was before, bro. If we like get really crazy momentum through this though, I'd still take it. Like we would have to like I would have to see it in live time, go through it. But please, yes, 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 yes. No, 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 no. That's not enough room for a fair value gap. No. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. 15-second LRLR with equal lows at the bottom. Please, please give us a setup. Catch the 3-minute. Bro, that 3-minute didn't even hit partials, bro. Like, bro, if you draw it like this, didn't even hit 1R. So, and no, I was gonna take the 2-minute, and 2 minutes just close too far for me. It didn't hit 1R, bro. How do you draw it out, bro? If you got entered right here, you would have had to draw it out like this in order to hit 1R. And if you draw it out like this, you're not risking it properly because if it closes anywhere above that, then you lose more than the amount you meant to risk. So I draw it out like this, bro. Like at least. And that did not hit 1R. 1R was here for that. No, not right now, Ken. I prefer trading on my own. We can talk after though. Oh, finally, bro. Okay, this 30 seconds not horrible. Okay, finally. Okay, finally, we got a fair value gap. One that doesn't look trash. Though it seems like we are gonna go up. I think yeah, we inverse the BPR here, so we're gonna go up this high now. Okay. There is an SMT and there's also an SMT with London highs. So And now we have a 1 minute and a 30-second. So this 1 minute's delivering out of nothing. We inversed the BPR already, so I guess there's the SMT, so we look better on ES. Kind of want this to hold, so what I would look for now, do I have my equal highs thing on? These not equal highs. Oh, they're not, they're relative. Dang, so this 1 minute. Oh, dang, closed on it, not inversed. Seems like it's gonna run this little, like, this miniature LRLR here. The one with the equal lows that I talked about earlier. Or not. Dang. Bro. Oh, wait. So, did we inverse this? Oh, we did inverse this. Never mind. I was wrong. We didn't inverse the 30-second. We inversed the 1 minute, though. And we put in a BPR here, so. We still got 30 minutes left. I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick. Hopefully we get. All right, I'm back. So we just inverse this to the upside here. So that means that that short failed. Again, I said not delivering out of anything, didn't sweep anything. I didn't like it. Same thing with this long. We're not delivering out of anything. We're not, because we inverse this to the downside. So we're not delivering out of this fair value gap here. We didn't sweep anything. So maybe today might be a no trade day, guys. Hopefully not. Hopefully we get something. We still have the macro. So I gotta go through my laundry real quick. So I'm gonna do that. Right, I'm back. All right. So that long hit partials. Oh no, it came up to break even and then came back down. So never mind, that long hit break even first. Um Again, I didn't take it, so oh crap, I might miss something here. Okay, no. I didn't miss anything. I was checking that wick real quick. All right, my camera should be fixed now. All right, let me. Oh gosh. All right. Annoying, we got no setup here, bro. If we had like this, bro. Oh my gosh. Just even the high with that type of reversal, bro. We still do have this though. Yeah, we're at 8 likes, guys. Oh my gosh, that means we're almost to 10, bro. I didn't think we were gonna be able to. I didn't think we were gonna be able to hit 10, or even come close, actually, just because it's a shorter stream. Since I didn't start at like 8 or 8:30. I started at like what 9:15, something like that. All right, so let's see about this here. Okay, so no close there. 2 minute did close below. So I have to see about this 1 minute. The 2 minute is just way too small. Why is it at 50 units, bro? Another invalid setup. Okay, so I'm in there with break even's gonna be here for me. Partial is gonna be here. Is there SMT, bro? Please tell me there's not an SMT. Okay, SMT would be with this low here. So no SMT. I'll have this marked out for SMTs though. All right. And then 2R. It's right here. Why is this 5? Oh, because the other one was a TP. Let me close that. Okay. I'm gonna move stop to break even there just because I don't like how we're kind of playing around here. Let me adjust it. All right. Wait, it's actually 10 cons. And we did re-sweep this low here, so I don't want us to play around after sweeping this low again. All right, so I'm stopped out there at break even. I think I'm a little green because of it actually. $3, yeah. I knew I had to have it like that for commission because I had 10 contracts. You don't think I should have moved stops to break even, Omar? Omar, you don't think I should have moved stops to break even? Omar. I'm messing with you, bro. I'm messing with you. Bro, my friend Ian, I think, bro, Ian might be right, bro. Am I the king of break evens? Am I the king of break evens, bro? Yo, is my friend Ian right, bro? Am I the king of break evens? All right, so close there. At least the close wasn't bad, Omar. If you close your position right there at that close, at least that close wasn't bad. Oh. Bro, my friend Ian's gonna make fun of me. Um, for posting a break even. You said something about a setup. Let me see. I'm gonna check. So confident. In that low market out to get me. My stop was right above the breaker. Oh, yeah, you got okay. Let me see. What do you think of that 525 setup? I don't have 525. Oh, 1025. Okay. Oh wait, we do have a long here. No sweep or delivery for this long, so I will not be taking it. Let me close this stuff off here. Okay. So 525, you're talking about the long 1025. Oh, short, the short, the short, the short, the short, the short, the short. 1025 short. No, I didn't like that. There was no sweep and no delivery. So, and we inversed this 3-minute BPR to the upside there right before it as well. So that told us we were gonna go up to this high. I actually liked this one, but this one had no sweep or anything. So yeah, I don't like SMTs without a sweep. To me, it has to be it has to get the sweep as well. What's the reason for setting break even? Right here. We made this low and then we retook the low. And on top of that, it's not like this was like a this wasn't like a perfect setup anyways. So when we made this low right here, we made this swing low. We did this. Move stops to break even when we hit it. I wasn't taking any chances considering this was like a lower setup, so I was just being more strict on my trade management. I don't always move my stop to break even when we do a new low like this. It just depends on what the setup looks like, and this setup wasn't as good as I wanted it to be. If we were, I would have preferred if we got something like this up here on the 32nd when we made that wick, but we didn't get that. So it was just being more strict. And you see on the 32nd here, we actually, it's more of a low and we swept it. So, 32nd short here. No delivery off of anything. Inverse to 2 minutes to the upside. So, don't really like it. I mean, we are delivering off this last 32nd here though. So it's not as terrible. Swept this high. That one wasn't that bad. That would have already hit TP. Or partial TP. Dang. We left a low when reacting from that iFVG. What are you talking about? Are you talking about before it inversed? Are you talking about before it inversed? Because before it inversed, we didn't leave it low. Just this wick wouldn't be considered a low. It has to there has to be an up candle, or not an up candle, but a candle that doesn't go lower than it. So this one is not a low. It's not a low until we have that swing like that. So now it's a low. So this one would have hit partial, and now it would have just hit break even. This 30-second. Kind of wish I would have seen that. That one looked a lot better. Now we do have the 30-second long. Don't really like it. It's really close to break even. So stop would be a break even there. I really want to see this get stopped at break even. Because there's no way it's a point away. It doesn't stop at break even. The previous one had delivery off the 15-minute. Which one had delivery off the 15-minute? You're talking about the long that failed? You're talking about the short of the one we took? Now price seems to be chopping. Like this just doesn't look like best market conditions. Kind of hoping. This is kind of what I'm hoping for. Where's 1050? So I'm kind of hoping for when we get here to 1050. Kind of hoping we sweep this before. Kind of hoping we do this. And then we run all of these lows here in the macro. But if we don't get anything clean, then we don't get anything clean. Okay. So possible 30-second here. And 1 minute, but the 1 minute's a lot less obvious. I don't really like this setup though. Draw out the macro. Want us to come and sweep a better high. And I would prefer this for my up to look like that or something. I don't know. It's just too far from this liquidity, I feel like. So we just inverse this. So price could go to here. Only problem is this is just chop, so let's see if this would have gotten stopped out. Maybe this inception gap holds. Dang, would have gotten stopped out. All right, so we're in the macro now. I thought these were wicks on this candle when I looked back over. Dang. So if you took this, yo, all right, so let's see. Again, guys, my executions are this. Literally just this break even. So really want us to get a setup to this. But we might not. We're in the macro right now, so we have what 18 more minutes for this to get run. Oh, crap. There we go. What was that? Why does it say? Oh, because that's micros. That was the trade from earlier. There we go. Ah, sitting through this chop right here kind of sucks. Oh, I like this LRLR. So maybe we get a 1 minute like good move up here. Boom. All I can look for right now. Why did it do that? Oh my gosh, bro. Maybe we added the LRLR here. I thought it was gonna run it. Oh, we're adding to the LRLR. Yo, why does my face look like that right now? Why am I so red? Put my face in Pokemon. All right. Ah, bro, what is going on with this, dude? Leave our LRLR and give us a setup, please. Yes, yes, yes. Now take out this high. ES already took it. Come on, bro. This SMT. I don't want it to be here. Why does it? Oh, I was just sitting super close to my camera. Oh, oh, yes, yes, yes. Okay, now take out the high and give us a fair value gap. And we'll have a SM2 with Asia high. Okay. Or we're gonna run Asia high and that'll be the macro move. But why am I still so red, bro? Alright, so maybe 2 minute here. All right, so now we have a 2-minute here. I like this 2-minute. Oh my gosh. Bro, it's gonna run without a setup, bro. Please don't. Please don't. I'm not looking to enter on the 30-second, but I want us to form a fair value gap here and like retrace, bro. Please, bro. Like on the 30-second, I'm kind of hoping it does this. Pulls back to fair value gap, then gives us our entry, and we get ours. Come on, please, bro. Please give us a lower time frame retracement. Okay, now we have a BPR here on the 30-second. Please retrace to this BPR and then deliver and give us our entry in the 2-minute. That'll be beautiful. All right, let me see. Yeah, I would do 150. All right. Okay, 30-second delivered out the 30-second BPR. All right. All right, let's see. So partial would be here. Please tell me there's not a SMT. I should have been paying attention to that. Okay, so no SMT. SMT would be with this, so. All right. I'm going to pay attention to manage this trade. Break even's going to be here. All right. So we have this inception gap here. Really want this inception gap to hold. So we are coming out of that BPR right now. So this, unfortunately, gonna have to make this my new break even here. So tapped into the 2-minute fair value gap that we just made, 2-minute inception gap here. Kind of just want us to dump through this LRLR. Because I am going to have to move my stop to break even really quickly if we come back down. Really hoping for this inception gap to hold here. Still have 2 minutes. Or not 2 minutes, we still have 1 minute. Sorry. This BPR here. I don't know why this BPR is not holding. I was really hoping this BPR would hold. It's a BPR on the 2-minute as well. The inception gap is a BPR, so don't know why it's not holding. Seems like this is going to be a loss unless we get some good momentum here. Unfortunately, it chopped right at our entry, bro. Stopped that momentum as soon as we got it, bro. All right. All right, so I'm out there. All right. So yeah, that's unfortunate. I'm gonna send that to the Discord. All right. So I feel like what I did wrong here, like after seeing price chop like this, I probably just shouldn't have taken anything, to be honest. Sorry, I just sent it to my friend. Um, all right, so my friend said he didn't take it because he saw this hourly close above. Probably what I should have done. I did not see that. I should have paid more attention to that. Damn. All right, so damn, bro, I should have seen that hourly. Oh well, we'll come back tomorrow and uh just took one loss or more. It was the one I just took. It looked good, but I didn't see the hourly inverse above. I didn't take that data setup because I didn't like it. Yeah, I don't know. It wasn't like singular. It was just I don't know. It's not that it was bad, it didn't seem like the best thing to take. Maybe the retracement entry would have been good, but it got stopped at break even anyways, unless you didn't move stop to break even. I mean, do you have a minimum or maximum size gap? No. You usually have to base it on the candles next to it, like it's relative. PA so good from 9 to 10:30, so bad onwards. I don't think just pumping up like this is good PA. That's just price just pumping. There's not really anything there. I mean, I guess This was pretty good PA. And then this. I should have just not traded after seeing this. Like that was one problem. And then the hourly inversing. I didn't see the hourly inverse. I should have paid more attention. But anyways, how big was that loss? Bro, that loss was nothing, dude. 280. I risked 500 to trade and my loss was 280. So, all right, guys. Thank you guys for joining up. Unfortunately, today was a red day. But yeah, hopefully we get at least one more win this week and we'll be good. I mean, I'm still green on the week, but one more win on this week and we'd be pretty good on the week. So, maybe we could get one tomorrow and Friday. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys tomorrow in stream and